right, welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're jumping into a case study that honestly feels more like a spy thriller than a health story.
It really does.
We're going to be dissecting this product called the Alisanda Seaweed Spray.
And the promises this thing makes are they're incredible. The audacity is what makes it so fascinating to break down.
So what's the core claim?
They say it delivers an erection faster than Viagra, all from a rare coastal seaweed extract.
And they get very specific, don't they? They promise raw, hard results in 43 seconds.
43 seconds.
I mean, that plus the promise of firmness for 4 hours, naturally, and all delivered sublingually, under the tongue.
So our mission today is to go through our sources and just unpack this whole performance, this scientific theater, to spot the red flags for you.
Okay, so where do we start? The story, I guess.
Exactly. The narrative they built to gain trust, it all centers on this supposed researcher, a Dr. Rachel Harper from the University of Manchester.
And what's her story?
The story goes she spent over a decade developing this spray. After, observing men in these coastal towns like Torquay and Bournemouth who ate local seaweed and had really low rates of ED.
That's a very elaborate backstory. They claim millions invested, thousands of clinical hours. So what did you find when you actually checked?
Well, what we found was fiction.
No.
Yeah. Dr. Rachel Harper, she just doesn't exist. Not in the University of Manchester records. No specialist in sexual health research matches that profile. Nothing.
So the whole credential is just fabricated.
Completely. And that deception, it doesn't stop with the people. It goes right into the product itself, that mysterious rare seaweed.
What is it really?
Our sources confirm it's actually a Rhiza sativa extract.
Which sounds exotic, but it's
Common rice bran oil.
wow, rice bran oil.
And the rest of the ingredients are just cheap, standard supplements you can get anywhere. Magnesium, zinc, L-arginine, fenugreek. They're selling you pantry items with a pirate map.
So you have a fake story and fake ingredients. I guess you need fake science to go with it.
And that's where the TRTT technology comes in.
Ah, yes. The patented tech that boosts absorption by 200%.
A technology that, you guessed it, doesn't exist in any global patent database. It's an invented term. I mean, it's way cheaper to make up a cool-sounding acronym than to file a real patent, right?
Okay, but to play devil's advocate for a second, the sublingual delivery, that does speed up absorption, right? It bypasses the stomach.
It does, but only marginally. It can't bypass fundamental human biology. There are 0 clinical studies supporting a 500% blood flow increase. And the 43-second timing isn't just unlikely, it's medically impossible.
Impossible is the word. I mean, even powerful prescription drugs like Viagra take at least 30 to 60 minutes.
Exactly. Biology just needs time. Doesn't matter how you deliver the compound.
So what about the business itself, the infrastructure behind this whole thing?
Wow, that's another huge red flag. The company domain was only registered 4 months ago. And Scam Detector, it rates it at a pretty terrible 24.1 out of 100.
But I saw the reviews. They have a nearly perfect 96% positive score.
And our security analysis shows that's because it's classic AI-generated content. The hallmark of these drop-shipping scams. They build a fake storefront with fake enthusiasm.
Okay, so this is where it gets genuinely dangerous then.
This is the most serious risk. When a product with just rice bran oil and zinc promises a 4-hour erection, that's a massive safety warning.
Why?
Because that kind of physiological response points to dangerous, undisclosed pharmaceutical adulterants.
So actual prescription drugs mixed in.
Yes. Things like sildenafil or tadalafil, which are found all the time in these kinds of black market products.
So for anyone listening who is genuinely seeking help, what's the takeaway?
Skip the seaweed spray. Just skip the fiction. If you're dealing with persistent issues, you need to talk to a urologist. Get real, evidence-based, and safe solutions.
And what about natural supplements?
If you're exploring things with modest effects, and I mean gradual, verified improvements, not 43-second miracles. L-citrulline and pecnogenol do have some clinical evidence, but they're not in the same universe as these wild claims.
So to sum it all up, Alisanda Seaweed Spray is basically an overpriced bottle of common ingredients, zinc and rice bran oil, sold using a fake doctor, made-up technology, and results that defy human biology.
Exactly. So use this as a guide. Any product promising impossible results in an impossible time frame. You have to question it. Legitimate science relies on verified research and transparent ingredients, not just a really good story about a fictional doctor and some magical seaweed.